it's me. Sorry, I had to cancel the egg party video due to my bad Wi-Fi. So I'll do it soon. If my Wi-Fi is only it's literally like normal. Cause I tried to post the egg party video, but it failed. So I'm gonna try my best again. No, don't worry, I can do it. What was that?
Ligo ka na ha. Amen. Dito lang.
Oh my.
Ali, kapan! Call ka ng mga pan mo dito.
Ali, dali.
Huh?
Tawag ka ng mga pinsan dali. Kayo kasi yung nahanap ko yun. Sino katawan ni Manang ever since?
Sabi ni Kuya Jeffrey, uy, Jeffrey, ano yan? Nagilas ba? Oo, pero hindi mo po sa kasi meron daw yung ininom si Manang na basta may ininom siya na kung ano man yun, supplement, para sa kanya pag-ininom. Hindi nila alam na damage na yung loob ng katawan. Yung kidney, kung ano-ano. Parang secondary cause na lang yung pagkadulas. Parang yun na lang yung anote. Parang yun na lang yung anote, parang kunwari rason na kaya siya namatay. Kasi nung nadulas siya, hindi na ata siya nakalakad. Hindi siya nila.
Bye-bye.
Nadulas ka lang tapos damage na yung kidney mo.
Pero may dadayalisis siya. Hindi. Sabi na kailangan dati ng dugo.
Kailangan siya sa linan talaga kasi ano pa nangyari? Kasi ganun kayo, hindi kayo makadulas yung major cause ng pagkamatay. Iniinda na lang naman siguro wala nang hindi yung sinasabi sa mga ano. Siyempre si Ella na ang sinasok ko sa liman. Diyan sa siyempre may tawad. Hindi yan, wala. Parang nakikita ko si Mana. Kasi last time na naging Uwan-uwan kami, umiyak doon siya. Naku, bilhin niya lang. Sabi ko, hindi ka na din tayo mag-join tayo sa kanila.
monster and you know it. Trick or treat!
Mga dalawa. Mga dalawa.
You're a monster and you know it. Just say boo. You're a monster and you know it. Just say boo. You're a monster and you know it. And you really want to show it. You're a monster and you know it. Just say boo.
Pero kung gano'n siya na nagamit, yung mga gamit, kasi nahihit na rin si Manang, si Joel. Si Joel.
Tapos sino mo kasama yun?
Si Joel. Si Demon. Nag-iisa silang panig.
And you know it. Just say meow. If you're a black cat and you know it. And you really want to
Yung bahay nila, si Demon.
Hati-hati.
Nag-iisa silang panig doon.
Hindi ko na maintindihan kasi yung bahay. Ay, kasi dati ano, di ba?
Ano ba yung dating tindahan?
Ay, kasi dati yung
Oo. Wala na yun.
Nandun pa rin sa upahan.
ano sa upahan?
Yung bahay nila, yung pare, yung bahay si Ate Leia, kasi yung Demons, yung puro mangga, yung siya, yung bahay ko doon. Yung dati na computeran, doon. Kaya tig-isa sila doon.
Nakakadala yung mga tao.
If you're a witch and you know it, then you're broke. If you're a witch and you know it,
Yung lalaki pa po.
Ayan lang, lalaki. Ang mga anak.
Totoo ba?
Hindi, joke lang.
Hindi ka namin nakikita.
Pero sa ano kami siya, sa brother pa.
You must let me know this is you.
happy Halloween!
Pinasali mo siya doon?
Doon pa rin siya.
Kaya pala siya doon?
Umalis siya doon kasi, di ba na yung bahay niya, ano kung uwi lang siya doon para makulubot ko.
Oo.
Hindi na
Oo, wala na nga siya manok doon eh.
Diba? Tapos, yung tindahan sa may harap namin,
Yung ano?
unti-unti na ino-occupy yung place
Nita.
namin. Kasi parang ang nangyari, sinamlan ni Ate,
Sarap. Okay.
Search for
Kaya yung ano ko yung bo, wala na.
Who took the candy from the trick-or-treat jar?
caretakers,
Oo nga, caretaker, pero yung dating bangkay, sakop nila yun?
alam mo yung muhon nasa harap ng bahay namin. Parang technically, yung aming bahay ay
Nakalabas na. Labas na sa lote.
To me?
hindi naman lalaki.
Yes, you.
Yan na lang.
Not me. Then who?
Sabihin nila dati.
Do it.
Para walang ano yun.
The candy from the karaoke jar. And
Hindi siya nilabas.
jar. Who? Me? Yes, you. Not me.
Every month
Then
ako
who?
yan.
Spider.
Di ba, Tin?
Kaya nga.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, you should sing. If you're happy and you know it, you should sing. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, you should speak. If you're happy and you know it, scare someone. If you're happy and you know it scares someone. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it scares someone.
Hanggang ngayon, nandun pa siya.
Emotional damage.
Break din sila, Jay? Some break?
Yan, yan pa. Bukas pa yung nila. Tayo din nila eh. Pagkatapos na yun. Bago mag-asem yung daw.
Don't you dare hit me, don't you dare hit me, don't you dare hit me.
Yung lalaki, wala na. Tapos na talaga yun. Ano pa yan to? Tapos yung dita?
Ow.
O kung meron si Vita, nag-gawin na naman.
Taksan na ako. Bilog. Kanina.
Kaya lumaki.
Pero tumakan lang, hindi na na siya nakapataka. So, pilog-pilog yan, may natin tumakan lang.
Pero hindi kasi ano. Nakasay dun.
Sino ba nakikita? Ang lalaki nito.
Ano ba ng babae yan?
Siya may pinakamalaki pa naman.
Ano yung tatay? Ano ba dito sa akin kasi? Mali.
Oh,
Tatay.
wala kang tatay.
Basta tatay mo. Ano ba naman?
Siyempre yung bola, lagi nakaantabay. Kasi nakaantag yun. Si nanay lang hindi nakaabot. Kaya nanay si push mo lang nakaabot. Sayang eh. Ako lang palalaki niya ngayon.
Si Fred Kulit si ano eh, si Joan eh. Ad-ulit ko.
Nag-adirect?
Oo, spinos yung dalawang bata. Si ano. Si Mindos ako. Oo, si Vincent. Kamukha ni Kuya Bo si ano. Si Vincent.
Ayan, ha. Si Vincent talaga kumukha.
Kamukha ni Kuya Bo.
Pero ang mas makatatay talaga. Sabi naman yun. Kahit college siya tinatawag.
Si
Mami,
Vincent, no? Si Joshua po ba kasi?
hindi, nag-aaral eh sa Naga.
Ano sa Bicol pa rin? Si ano, kumuha ni ano, Kuya Bo.
Pero ito, Joanne, parang nag-abroad.
Taas, sa taas.
Sa taas.
Parang
Ate, ready to stop?
Nag-boy? Oo, sayo na naman sayo eh. Puro sayo eh.
Ay, hit mo ba?
Aliyah, what's your favorite ulam?
Small fish.
Tuyo.
Iuwi mo sa Iloilo. Napagsawa yan. Do you eat vegetables?
No.
Ah!
Isda lang ba? Isda.
Mas hindi mo kayo ng gulay.
Inamin namin, sinusugat.
Oh.
And there might be a chance I liked it.
Isda. Tapos mga sabaw.
Okay naman yun, Jay, pero kulang yun.
Kaya
Tell them that I like
Kasi
ramen.
yung vitamins, hindi naman masusupplement lahat.
prutas yan.
Ito. Oh, pwede naman fiber. Ito kasi, di ba tayo kunwari, nag-masyad na kami.
It carries somebody's finger toy.
Kasi sabi ng friend namin, kumari ng doctor, yung katawan natin ay nagiging immune sa immune natin. So, dapat napapalitan. Kasi kunwari, 5 taon kami kumain sana, tapos nagkakasakit kami sa atin.
Kai, this is busy. Hey, Kai. Kai. This is busy. Do not disturb.
Wala nang kalunggay sa amin, binibili namin. Kaya kumuha kami ng kalunggay. Ginagawang capsule ni Jojo. Ano kalunggay? Kalunggay na. Ang maganda kasi, pag natunaw na yung jelly cover niya, hindi na strong. Magsaka lang si Jojo talaga. Nakakain naman sila ng gulay.
Ang kala ko si...
Medyo.
Pag ayaw nilang kumain, di ba? Ano ba pasok tayo?
Ay, yung balaki.
Uwi na pala kami.
Ayan, nagkukwentuhan pa nga eh.
Bye.
Yes, bye.
Hindi pa nga tapos yung sopas, oh.
Ano ang tagal naman kasi ng sopas. Uwi na kami. Uwi na kami.
Tagal ko pa naman.
Uwi na ko na. Uwi na kami. Bundok. Hanggang bukas na yan.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Yes, bye. Yes,
Bye.
bye.
Tayo kasi matagal.
Tagal ko ba?
Kayo kasi? Tapos saan dapat tayo?
Ayaw ko na doon.
Did you forget? We must always turn our coats into cloths for cleaning. How could I forget? I am so proud of you.
Well, you sound exactly like Mom.
I figured out that the only way to make Mom proud is to become Mom.
I can't eat anymore.
Yeah, same. Can we go now? Whichever. Do what you want. No, Mother. We will not leave the table until we finish all the food. I am so proud, Polina. You are mini me.
All right, Polina, you can stop being Mom. Yeah, because of you, we had to finish all of the disgusting food.
But it feels so good when Mom is proud. So I will keep going.
Oh, what a good food. It's time to wipe my butt.
Make sure you don't use too much paper. It's very expensive, and we are not millionaires. You make me so proud. Only subscribe if you love your mom. And also don't forget to like this video if you love your mom.
Now let's watch something else. I don't like it. Mom is proud of Polina.
Now you know how it feels when you're not mom's favorite. So guess what?
What?
I am going to make her proud again. What did I hear? Praising the ready for this. The food, Polina. Don't forget this is my home, so you must wash the dishes. You sound just like me in my youth. Mommy is so proud.
The table is dirty. Hold on a minute. Why am I an adult? And why does Mom and Polina look so weird?
It's because the short is set in the future. Just you wait and see how Kaka looks.
Let's wipe it using this fresh cloth.
Stop it! Instead of using a fresh cloth, use this 300-year-old one. Polina is rotten.
But it's dirty and old.
Apologize to the towel now. I am so proud. Polina, you are just like me.
Hey, sister, I am here.
Did the door just open itself?
No, it's me, your brother Baba.
Call the police, because this is not my brother.
It's literally me.
But my brother is called Kaka. You make me so proud, daughter. You are just like me.
I can't believe you are still calling me Kaka in the future. There is no escape.
Your grandkids will call you Grandpapa instead of Granda.
That was smart, Polina.
Yeah, and you know what else is smart?
What is it?
Using our code avocado when buying Momo.
I agree. Only smart people can do this. Anyway, let's now watch a short about Mom being exposed. It was so funny to see her reaction when she realized that Nana exposed her in her cake.
Your sister.
No, I hate you.
Girl, stop it. You are sisters after all. Why are you fighting? Didn't you fight with your sister when you were a kid? Of course not. We were the best siblings ever. Really? I would never lie. We were like angels. Then let's go back in time and see how well behaved you were. Wait, no. Where are we?
Did we teleport?
This is my old home. Girls, stop fighting. Is that Nana? I will destroy you. I hate you, Sophia. And that's all with anti-rat. It's like this every day. So that's how angels behave.
Is that right, Mommy?
Yes, I'm supposed to. Fine. If you love your sister.
Mom got exposed, so...
This is why Nana is the best. She always puts Mom in her place.
I can't believe Mom lied to me. Her favorite child. This is the saddest day in my life. So, what are you going to do about it, Corinne? I know exactly what to do. I am going to prank Mom. This one. Mommy, you left your phone at home.
Dad, what are you doing?
I am going to prank Mom.
But how?
Watch this.
Where is my phone? Ah, there it is. All right, kids. I am going to shop. You didn't prank her?
What? Expect what's about to happen.
Hello, my baby angel. What did you want?
Switch to video call.
Okay, dear.
Now it's time to play that video I recorded. Mommy, you left your phone at home.
I really left it. Where is my phone?
It's in your hand, Mom. It was just a prank.
Well, that didn't end well.
I wonder where Corinne went for it.
I will never prank Mom again. Since she doesn't know how to prank Mom, I will show her how it's done. You can trust me, Baba. There is nothing that can go wrong. Let's prank our Mom.
How can we do that?
I love pranks. Let's adopt a child for one day and tell her it's my son. Isn't that too much? Oh, don't worry. What can go wrong?
Hello, darlings. How can I help?
We want to adopt a child.
Aren't you kids yourself?
No, I am 40 years old.
Yeah, right. All right then. I need an email to register you. We don't have one.
Let's use Mom's instead. Good idea, Paulina. Try I hate cooking at Poop Mail.
Oh, I am so sorry, but this email is already registered. Yeah, it's true. It's been used 3 times. So, what were you saying about nothing going wrong?
I take my words back. I didn't expect to find out that we are all adopted. Speaking of Mom, do you guys remember that her purse is magical? Magical? Yes, she has everything you need inside it. Just watch this. Ready to go to Walmart? I am so thirsty, Mom. Do you have a drink? Let me check inside my purse. Let's see. Here is a water. Well, I am kinda hungry. Do you have any food? Let me check my purse. Yes. Here is a pie.
How could you fit that in there?
Are we ready to go now?
But where is Dad? Wasn't he supposed to be here?
Let me check my purse. Here he is.
Hello, kids. What else do you have in there? Maybe a truck?
Anything else?
Corinne was right. Mom has everything inside the purse that we need.
I can't believe that she fit a whole truck in there. The only problem is that after shopping, Mom can be so annoying.
What do you mean?
Like no matter what I do, she is always unhappy.
Maybe it's because she hates you. No, Melina is right. You won't believe how strange Mom acts after shopping.
Are you gonna help me or not? I've got so many bags. Sure, Mom. I will be there in a second. So, where is she? I've already brought the bags here since you didn't bother to help. But you called me a second ago. You took too long. I was still too long. Time to unpack things. Do you want any help? I will do it myself. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Fine then. I will just watch TV and relax. You just told me you don't need any help. I wasted my years raising you, and this is how you pay back? You don't love me. Subscribe if you can relate. That's so relatable. Sometimes moms contradict themselves.
Especially strict moms.
Well, Mom isn't strict. She always loves me. If you say she loves me, then why was she proud of me at the start of this video? And not you.
Speaking of strict parents, it's so funny when they get triggered.
That's true, Papa. And I know exactly how to trigger Mom.
Let's see, but before we watch,
Yes.
and I will send you flying from Belgium.
Mom, I am on it. Oh, fine, here it is. I minus the maps. Well, be thankful that it's not AB. I love playing Roblox. Hey, Paulina, you are always on your tablet. Why don't you go outside? You are right, Mommy. I am always right. I will go outside to go on a date. And then I will be back home at 3 a.m.
2025.
You better eat it all. I don't want to waste any food. Actually, I am tired of this food. You need to cook a bit better. Nana's cooking is so much better. Don't touch my baby. Subscribe if you love Nana. Nana always has my back.
Yeah, you say so. But did she save you when we got Kid Giant?
What the heck is Kid Giant?
Do you mean kidnap?
Wait, what?
That's what I said. Kid Rap.
Where am I? This is a kidnapping. Please, no. Let's see how much your parents will pay. You kidnapped my kid. Which one? It's the oldest one. $10 is best I can do. Just $10? I think your parents pay you. I think so too.
Where am I?
This is a kidnapping. Let's see how much your parents will pay. Which kid is it? The youngest.
Where am I?
This is a kidnapping. Let's call your mom to see how much she will pay. My child. Which one? The middle kid, Baba. Who is that?
It's me, Mom. Please recognize my voice.
I still don't know who it is.
You always call me Kaka.
Oh, Kaka, I will pay you $5,000 to keep him. I think your mom hates you.
Can you be my new Barbie instead?
I can't believe I got ignored again. Oh, so you find this funny, sister? Since you love laughing so much, let's make you donate 1,000 Robux to our viewers every time you laugh.
Wait, what?
That's right. Click this video. It's good. Okay, take them off. In this video, this is.
Uy, pinamagawa niya hair yan.
Ayaw mo yan.
Mega Mansion. It is possibly the most luxurious house ever built by mankind. And we're going to be comparing living in this house to living in this $69 million art house that's built to withstand a literal tsunami. A $30 million palace with its very own water park. And everything in between, all the way down to this $1 barely functioning house. More of a shed. Oh, it's only $1. Why does this house cost $1?
Yeah, we get it up. It's probably going to go into the water. So it's worth $1 for me to just get rid of it.
So you would say this is a horrible investment for me?
Yes, indeed.
Let's do it. Let's go! Oh, this is sketchy. What are the odds I fall through?
Pretty high.
Bro, these are wobbly. I like how that chair is just like holding on for real life. We have a recliner, a mattress, and half a floor.
I can literally fish from inside of the house. Yo, I caught one.
Whoa!
That's just a lure. I'm sorry.
That costs 100 million times more than this. And because I never plan on setting foot in this worthless shack again, let's head over to something a little nicer. Speaking of which, we're at the $1 million house, which technically means you need to be a millionaire to buy this house. Let's show you how a millionaire lives. My first impression is it's way bigger than my house. When you pay $1 million, you get a pretty good sized kitchen, along with 4 bedrooms that, but they keep going because this bedroom has a closet.
Mas okay. Sa una. Ito.
Ito na lang ako.
Tanggalin mo na yan. Hindi, ito. Tanggalin mo na ito. Kasi may nakakuha na ang ano. Yan, may crack na yan. Ay, hindi. Tanggalin mo na ito. Yan, tanggalin mo na yan. Kasi may nakuha na kung ano. Sabi yan.
Tanggalin na rin.
Tanggalin mo na yan. May nakuha na.
Siguraduhin mo ito. Ano to? Ano to isa? Tanggalin ko na.
Wag. Ano?
Tanggalin ko?
Wag.
Nalagi ano ka na pala isa eh. Mali yung pinadilit mo pa.
Ang gagawin mo ito.
7 pa lang. Download. Dami yan lang. Isa lang. Isa lang ba? Isa lang lahat.
Wait lang si Mama. Wait lang, Ate Kate needs me. What do you need me?
Kuya na.
Kuya, yes!
Kaso umulan. Later na lang, okay? Okay.
Tell Kuya na.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam mo nakaisip ko eh. May nakaisip ako.
Sige po, Ma'am Rain.
Ano ay masabaw? Ay masabaw.
Hindi mo kasama namin dito, kasama sila, tapos kakahatid nila sa Antipolo, ay kaso yung anak kasi nandun sa bahay, hindi na makakasunod sa Marikina kasi sobrang antok na raw niya. Kasi 3 days lang nag-campaign.
Ano?
Ano pa yung ano? Sinuntok niya. Binitiban niya. Makakaawa kayo. Opo. Yung anak niya. Ni Richard. Maalit. Sabi na. Ayaw nga po lumabas mami. Kasi lagi kami lang natin. Kaya mami. Ayaw po mami. Kulit na ako. Suntokin mo kami. Kasi ayaw ko naman manakit. Sabi ko magsusun mo sa inyo. Kasi pasay ko. Oo, yung pasay. Sinunod na yan. Inday, sa alaga niya yun. O, si Inday magkwento.
Ano ba naman yung si Ate Inday, di ba? Pag
Inday may campaign, di ba? Bakit si Papa rin?
Natawa pag nasabi mo, ulit.
Si Inday. Si Inday.
Dahil si Inday yung
May sakit na nga, tapos gagawin. Yung may sakit po ba yun?
Oo. Kaya naman dito nag-aanan siya. Sa niya. Yun ang may birthday. Kasi nga, hanggat maaga yung siya. Dahil siya yung lang ang uli.
Hindi ko rin din. Kaya niya, kami niya, ginawa sa anak niya. Asan niya?
Saan siya kumain? Sa loob ng kwarto siya kumain.
Kasi parang, pag ikaw naman talaga bata, di ba? Pag nagtampo ka, tawa ka, di ba?
Siguro nag-message si Ivan eh. Si Ivan eh, saka si Tekay nasa labas. Hindi nga natin. Diretso yung lakad ni Ivan. Alam namin na pupunta niya yung anak niya. Lumabas lang yun. Ang picture na siya namin. Siya ng candle. Napilitan lang yung ba. Tapos habang nagkakaya kami, ang sa upuan sa labas. Nakaandang siya. Siya.
Ano, di ba to?
Hanapin mo na, nasan yun? Nasaan?
Yung papa niya na kasi sumbong ko sa ano.
Hello?
Ako nga.
Ay, yun ko yun.
Wala siya.
Kasi may sa doors eh. Bakit? Alam mo.
I don't want any more rice. I'm full.
Full na ikaw? O, sige, mag-drink yung water. More water.
How many?
Half rice or full glass.
Five.
Sabi ka niya? Ha? Ano?
More
Ay,
water.
flash mo yun! No.
Plus na!
Ano rin?
I heard it.
I love Angel. Oy, ba't nandyan sa baba si Isok May mo? Ay, Isok May. Hapis pala.
Ay, sana rin ako. Oo.
Piso.
Hapis na. Masan si Isok May?
Mamaya na.
Pis-pis. Yan, okay. Thank you.
Dapat ang requirements, ayun, ang sabihin yung requirements, dapat mag-hard to identify lahat yung mga nasa box. Oo, yun ang requirements sa Roselle.
Pag wala nga, hindi wala.
Diba? Paano mo ako? Ayun, paano mo?
Bagoong, paluin yung ulo mo.
Dapat makapalo sila sa lahat sa
Anong paluin ka dyan? Tatanga-tanga ka na naman sa doon.
Paluin ko ulo mo. Kapaw, bagoong.
Oy, ate na hindi wala kami, hindi kami mag-viewers. Hi, Albi. Viewers, kung kayo naman gusto nyo, mag-comment na kayo sa kay sa kanya, sa super.
Yes po, Ma'am Rain.
Ay, sis. Ay, sis, paano? Busog ako. Bakit na kita dyan mo?
Busog ako.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Busog mo.
ganun pa rin. Same pa rin po.
Ano yung ano yung sayaw logo, no?
Ayun o, friends.
Ilang piraso yung logo mo?
Gawin kang bendi kaya.
I-fix mo lang para hindi wala tayong butal-butal.
Alisan po.
Hindi, sobra. Dagdagan mo lang, gawin mo 600.
15.
Sobra ka naman, naging 750 siya.
Ano, diba?
Kaya nga, ano lang, 12 lang. 12 lang ilagay mo.
12. Sige.
Para ano,
Ano pa?
2, 4, 6.
11 yun.
Di ba, 50 pesos pa, ano, 10. Pag sa pag
Ano ba ito? Pwede na? 15 na ba lahat?
Oo, wala
Ano
naman.
na sana? Ma'am Rain. Ma'am Rain.
Yes, Sir Jay.
Ano pong plano sa Roleta? Same pa rin ba 20 o i-15 na natin?
Magkano ba na nakaraan?
20.
20 lang yun, nakaraan eh. Oo.
Ano mo? Sige, 30 mo.
30.
Tapos, last 3 ulit. Tama ba? Kasha po. Last 5, 100. Sana makasali mo sa loob. Arnica!
Each ruleta 10 person. 10 times 300 yun.
Ruleta. Ang requirements po sa ruleta, mag-height me and then i-follow yung... Inabayaran mo kayo dito kung gano'n mag-live nyo. Oo naman, di ba yung
Ikaw, sige, Kevin. Unahin mo na sila. Oh, bring me ka powder, gola.
Mamaya maging kayo nga. Pahingi ako ng ano, kalwal. Ano yun, sa card ni yun, dapat mag-card ka, dapat lahat i-receive mo yun, pag-i-claim mo lahat para tumaas mo.
Kaya nga eh. Mag-49, kaya ako doon sa'yo. Mag-49 yata eh.
Ang requirements po sa Roleta, mag-heart me and then i-follow po lahat ng mga nasa box. Pindutin yung plus sign. Dapat yun ang ilagay mo sa sulat. Ano? Kuya Jay muna.
Ayun ba?
Kuya Jay.
Sige.
Ang ilagay mo sa sulat.
Ano nalagay ko?
Heart me, then pindutin yung plus sign. And then i-follow lahat yung nasa box. Tapos yun, mamaya i-change mo. Parang yung ano, ano po requirements sa ano.
Heart me, follow, gano'n.
Sa Roleta.
Ito. Ayun nga.
Fight me and follow. Fight me.
Ito ba yan?
Pindutin yung plus sign sa box. Ay, sige. Plus follow. Hindi. Ikaw na lang, hindi.
Sige, wait.
Heart me, tapos heart me, pindutin yung plus.
Heart me all.
I-follow lahat ng mga nasa box. Ganun na. Parang isayan mo lang. Pindutin yung plus sign sa box.
Ay, Tolby. Ay, patawad. Yes. 12:21 na. Baka tumawag na yun ako.
Ano ba? Check. Mix na ba?
Papuntayin mo mama mo kung ayaw mo maging Chinese ako. Kung ayaw mo maging Chinese sa nila ako. Eh, mag-aaral na ako ng Chinese, ma'am. Ay, hindi. Papuntayin mo si nanay ko.
Paano ka na?
Huwag ka mag-aaral ng Chinese.
Ano yun? Paano ba? Saan?
Para mga bida. Tama ko.
Hindi. Heart me, tapos tanggalin mo yung palitin mo.
Paano ulit? Heart me. Tapos...
Ganda ka, nandiyan kayo eh.
Ano pa?
Para makikita mga kapit.
Ano sasabi?
Ba't kami dito?
Sweet plus. Ayan. Heart me, follow lahat nasa box. Okay.
Ito yung total na rin.
Ayan. Ayan. Okay na yan. Sabi ko siya hindi gamitin dito. Ito, gamitin ito.
Master na lang.
Ito, lamang.
Ayan, yan sa bangus.
Kasi pag yun,
Ito, ulit lang guys.
hindi ito, ito,
Bilangan mo sa puna yun. Bilangan mo ba? Bilangan mo ba?
pansin nga to, 4, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9. Ito yung master card. Yung 10.
Oh, baby, baby, baby.
Ano mata?